Hi everyone, we're going to make this fun craft. Look, the hissing snake. We are folding this black craft paper from its sides. Fold it and make 4 triangles. Flip it again and start folding it from its sides. We are going to fold it and press it gently. Paste the eyes like this. Paste a red tongue. Now take another piece of black craft paper. Fold it and make a strip and paste it inside the tongue like this. And we're going to combine it and it's done. Look at these hopping frogs. Let's make it using craft paper. Take a rectangular green paper, fold it into half and make folds from its downwards. Make triangles. Do the same from its top portion. Now we are going to make folds. Flip it and again fold it from its sides. Tuck it inside and give shape to this bottom part. Now draw the eyes of the frog and look, it's ready. Here we are going to make this very cool craft. So take a paper and start folding it. Make 3 folds. Again fold it into half. Now we are going to open it like this. Again we are going to fold it here and make 4 squares like this. Now we are going to fold it and tuck it inside from all its sides like this. Now we are going to one flip it outside and one tuck it inside. Now flip it and again press it gently like this and draw the eyes and smiley face. Press it like this and it's ready. In this video, we are going to make dinosaur origami using craft paper. So take a paper and start folding it. We are going to fold it from its diagonals. Fold it again and make a triangular shape. Now fold it from its bottom sides as well. We are going to make a mini triangle as well. Now pull it downwards, fold it from its sides. After this, we are going to make crease in a crisscross way. Then press it like this and give shape to the tail and head of the dinosaur like this. Now we are going to fold it and tuck it inside like this. Now we are going to fold it from this side as well. So pull it downwards. Now we are going to gently open it and press it like this. Fold the paper from its corners and look, it is ready. We're going to make these cute little monsters. Let's make it. We're going to fold this green craft paper. Make mini folds. Now we are going to fold it from its top and bottom. Open it. We are making crease here. So fold it in crisscross way like we are doing here. After this, we are going to open it. Here we are making a box. So tuck it inside like this and your box is ready. Then we are going to make folds like we are doing here. Look at the crease like this. And we are going to make legs. Paste its eyes, its hands. And look, your fun craft is ready. We're going to make this very cool and fun craft. Let's make it. We're going to fold this yellow paper, make 4 folds like this. Again fold it into half and make 2 more folds like we are doing here. Then we are going to make many folds from its top portion. Cut it like this. Now we are going to fold it from its corners like this and then fold the bottom part and make 4 mini triangular shape, and then we are going to tuck all of them inside. Fold it from its sides and tuck it inside like we are doing here. After this, we are going to give shape to the ears. Flip it. Now we are going to draw its black eyes, its nose. We are also making its round cheeks. Now flip it and we are going to put some crumpled paper inside or a sheet like this. It will make noise when you press it. Now we are going to cover all of them and paste it using double-sided tape from its sides, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.